For today, we are going to show you how to put new wheels or a wheel swap. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put these real riders on there that I got from Panda. They're deep dished. It's going to be cool. So let's get to it. First you're going to take this, and you see these rivets there and rivets there. That is a cool looking car. Paint job is cool. It's all blacked out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this Dremel and we're going to drill out those rivets. So let's get to it here. Like that. I didn't do the greatest job, but it'll do. Then you take this and kind of pry it. That one might need a little more working, but let's see. I have to do it a little bit more. Yeah, I think I kind of messed it up, but that's all right. It should pop off now. Let's see here. There we go. Now we got it to pop out. There's that one. Now we got to get this top one, which just needs to be drilled out a little bit. Get that. It should. Well, it should pop out, but I guess we need a little bit more. Maybe that'll do it. Try to clean it up a little bit. That should get it. Yep, there we go. It's not the greatest, I know, but it works. See, and then you have the rest of the car here. Make sure the seat's in there. So this is what you want. This is what you're looking for. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of pop those out, which I gotta go get my little tool. Let's see if I have it in here. Yes, I do. So we're going to take a little tool and we're going to pry this right here. You're going to kind of get in there and pry it, and then there's one. And then you just kind of want to get in here and pry it open so that way when you go to put it back in, it's easier. Same thing with this one. And you get in there. You want to get this tab right there. And the other tab, just kind of get underneath of it. Don't want to bend the bearings or the axle. You just want to kind of get it up there. Alright, and that should pop. Let me get this piece. And let me get this piece. There we go. Alright, so this is what you're looking at right there. And this is what you're looking at right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these wheels off. And we're going to put these wheels on. And I'm going to do this a little different than everybody else. I bought this right here from Hobby Lobby. And actually what it does is it just slides right in. So first you want to do is you want to measure. And you just want to do a little one. So I always take these little things right here. And I just kind of score it. You don't want to cut it. You just want to score it. So we're just going to score it like this. Go in circles with it. So it gets an indentation. Don't want to push hard. Because otherwise the pipe will collapse. And then all you do is just... Oh. It should just break right off. Nope. Looks like we're going to have to do another one. Try this again. And there, it just popped right off. You have a hole there, and you have a hole there. So you gotta do the same thing for the other one. So you just take it, don't push hard on it because it'll go through. All you do is just kind of make a nice little indentation in it. Kind of like doing a pipe fit. And you just kind of go like that. And see if this one will work for me. Yep, and that one just popped right off. So those are your two end pieces, or middle pieces. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little tool and you're gonna clip this right in the center. So just clip it right in the center, should pop right off. And there you go. You have one piece and you have the other piece. So all you're gonna do is take one end out, take the tire, put it aside, take the other end out, put it to the side. Now you're gonna take this new one and you're gonna slide that in like that. And then you're gonna take the other one, the other wheel, and you're gonna slide that one in same way, just like that. So you should have two wheels with two axles like that. And then you're gonna take one of your pieces while you put your finger on the one end, and you're gonna slide it in. And you're gonna take the other end and you're gonna slide it in. If I can, just like that. Crap it. Well, we thought we had it, but we didn't. So now it looks like I'm gonna have to take it off and do it again. Use this piece. I don't know why This is being difficult. And that's it. That was easy. That one was super easy compared to the other one. Okay, so I guess I gotta cut another one. Again, you just go like this, kind of score it. Just kind of score it back and forth. Don't push on it because it'll collapse. And then you just kind of bend it, and there you go. So let's do this one. Same thing. Clip it right in the middle. Take it off. 1 pin, 2 pins. And then we're going to slide this, oh, wrong one. Slide this one in. There's one. And then we got this one. And slide that one in. Just like that. I'm going to turn this. Okay, so now again, you take this, you put this in there like that. And will it fit? Yep. There's one. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do it like this, because I did it last time, messed it up. So this time we're just going to do it like that. And then we're going to put it in like this. And we're going to stick it in as far as it can go. I think that's as far as it's going to go. And then we're going to crimp this side. We're going to crimp that side. There's 1 and 2. That's still, it's not too bad. And then we're going to do this other side. On this other side, you're going to push it so that it's down just far enough. You got to check it, make sure it fits. So we're going to stick this side in. Crap. Stick that back in, push it, and then we're going to see where it lines up down here. So, looks like we can kind of push that in a little bit further on both sides. And we can clip that a little bit. So let's go ahead and clip this. Just a tad. And that's done. And we'll put this back in and crimp it, and then we should be done. I think we're good. Now we're gonna crimp this. Maybe. We're gonna crimp that right there. Crimp it again. Do it in the middle. So everything is nice. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it on here. Make sure it fits, which it does. And we got room there, and we got room there, and everything looks good. So now what you're gonna do is, you see these things right here, we gotta grind them out. So let's take this, our Dremel. We're just gonna go really slow with it. So we're gonna turn it, and we're just gonna grind them out. Just gonna put a groove in there. Just a little groove so that it's big enough. So when you go to put the metal thing in, you're good. Same thing on this side. A little groove. I think that should be good. And then we're gonna take this, put that in there. Hopefully it works and fits. Is it too short? Or is this the other one? Yeah, so we had them backwards. So that one, and then we're gonna put this one like that. And then we're gonna take the cap and we're gonna put that back on without it coming off, which it did. And you're just gonna kinda put it back on here, if I can get it. There we go. And we just kinda snap it back in place. And you got your wheels. Got your wheels, see? And there you go. That's it with the real riders. I think it came out pretty good. Now, if you really want to get technical, you can kind of push these things in on the side just to make sure that they're in. Shouldn't need to, if you measured correctly, which this was my... I wish they came with pins. That would have really helped, but they didn't. But there you go. And then all you gotta do, you can glue that back together if you want. I like to leave mine empty, so that way if I ever want to change the wheels again, I can. I know that took longer than usual, but that's it. There you go. Real riders. Sitting on the Porsche.